day, lovely people. Your mama kwaba about Supreme Law Publications, everyday lawyer de bremo. Your church Ghana bremo see the city. Ewo would there be an amount to your work, your business, your relationships. What does the law say? Said that you know how to act. When you subscribe to your channel, but when this always subscribe to Supreme Law Publications, just click on the subscribe no. Also like it, na comment it. What you say? Oh, I drink chiribia. Oh, na mfobi subi wo baby. Wait me share ma obi bia. Na obi aso asa kemi na yi na yede yesuan de enema ye ken enchechere. It's for educational purposes. It does not take away your right to be to consult a lawyer of your choice for further direction and advice. Dem say chen say se bichire wa adwen apart from the making ya wo ho kwan so busa lawyer ni ma okoso chichi mu no wo hu anamo a obetu ye nhwe de na ebisua ye go yes am makwaba send mu hu ye no. There's a duty of a landlord. As you saw posted there, what is the duty of a landlord? Part 1. So, when you show a video on landlord versus tenant now, or who is a tenant now, for chok bomodis over transan wajowi. So I say explain here because near my baby can I feel who ni pako a tenant, you the which will be a tenant in the landlord. But if I discuss in this part, we're going to look at what are the duties of a landlord, the first part. Now, the Ebeka had first one, the right to convey. The right to convey. That is the duty of a landlord. A landlord, the right to convey. Yeah, shall say, and sacred and tenancy, no, and his duty. That is the obligations, the right to convey. I thought that's what Obit Mika said. Sad the way I can about landlord. Sure, a dime once I'm near account. A dime. What the property will be, and I say a property a dime. Like a dime as assassin. A dime no landlord with me, tenant with me, but so what if I be a right to convey. Right to convey, no, I say promise. I mean, can I say, I say duty, it's a promise, be a word, all the property will be known. And then they say, there is an implied promise. Be say, so what the idea move be a say nipane musawu, we musawu. You would say, "Oh, I don't know what kind into now the man." That's one of the obligations on the landlord. It is all your who feel and as all you feel that's all the idea move be, all the idea my tenant. If I call a tenant, there is a responsibility on you, say, or no there. Imran say, "Oh no, the man no." Now unim say, "Oh, who kinds all the man." That's what we refer to as the right to convey. You understand that? Say, uni who kwans all there the man. Na say, oh yes sir. Na say ochina unya issue a. Obet ma be yere wajiska. He can take his money from you. Take interest on it. Because you don't have the right to convey. So I say, obet ma say jail damages crampo. Damages in nature say be a how be a free ma bano. Obet ma age. Everyone say obi si opedan. Na dan ye wo sister there wa bruche. And o sister say ne sister nsi o Evans Nistan Yankashwe, but Danny and sister there, and I bra Ghana no. Only Evans one of the main buildings anymore. A sipa, a 30 those issues, or to build a new part back. One day a dining back, what high will be. So I say, didn't stand if you are broche by. And who say, if you now no any brother team no, we suit the boys quarters or Okubusa money per crown, the whole my high. Now it was a guy who to per crow. Obituno, on playing giddy. Sa ne brano wa create problem pa because say kasi sia on say nipa kono team sia ni fiera over kan ene sa ne brano boy no anya sa ne brano even so on e fiera sia. So he has been in his breach of his right to convey. Now we need 2 minutes or there no money pa crop. We need 2 minutes o create that kind of tenancy no. But one money pa crop be tenant to honum. Say tenant ne hwe na say there how ne nim guase e brena now so on pa he can repudiate take the money from the brother. He can even further sue him for damages. And him go say the idea about because of action and necessary if which Ghana no. He can take all that from him. So we are saying that if you're a landlord, and I say, oh, you're also a landlord, you should first, your duty is that you should have your duty and the right to convey. That's the proper word, the right to convey. You should have the legal right. I will say 2 minutes one, some and part, I did money per chrono. Or the man. So one yes, I am. You'll be liable in law for damages. What I said. That's the first duty of a session. So, why be a OT fee, more papa fee, mammy fee, be feel now, you're so for being there. Nah, Charlie, a la pauntino, person who do be better than if you just go to ma. One shall be an issue. What I say, apart from it being a case where it can create criminal problems for you, a bit more creative police cases, no. The other part is that it can also raise situations where the person can take you to court for damages. How be a bit me a frame. It is a stool land. We are making say I can't assassinate dining stool land. I'm running to say stool land be a stool occupant no. And there who quite so ton stool land on any penny for. So a stool land can only be sold by the stool land by the stool occupant and his elders with the concurrence of his elders. It is so him be what born be so no the assassin will be say the pan family school. Na say penny for nka ho a. Saa de no de ama nipa kro no enye right. Say nipa no nya issue was why he can sue wo hene no. Why? Because you don't have the right to convey like that. Though you the law say also one for your principal elders na say back together. Na mo agree na mo sign saa de ne de mo transfer assassin money pakro. Money pakro ba tenant. So that's the right to convey. Ade ebusuan japade so a ebusuan japade family property. The person who has been appointed the head of the family no or no kwa no right to convey that. So it as him say fie ena nya ebusuan fie nipa obetimi de dine high obi ewo ebusuan fie no it has to be the family head. E o say ye a family head no nipa ebusuan panyin no ono ho kwan so otimi de saa dine ma obi say ye ebusuan fie a muntie ma na meka ni ebusuan fie ebusuan asase ebusuan panyin any principal members of the family. You principal members are say omo ye mpanyimfo wo ebusuan mu ka ebusuan panyin no no saa squad na say kabum no mo yo madwene say they have to agree and transfer the rights into the interest into the land or property to the person. Just say be a dine ye e be a baako dia e say dine we ye wo dia e be a chiche fie na ebusuan fie no room na ye e be a wo maame dia ye wa wo dia e na wo no na wo den ha obi dia e na say e dine na wo den ha obi that room na dia enye ebusuan dan enye ebusuan room so the mo be there no problem. But if a property a ebusuan wo interest wo ma enye yeah you can't do that. That's what I mean by the right to convey. Make sense so unyan share your video on family property now have more than share everyday law or the family property or bet what you mean by ebusuan japade. You see they mean to me explaining all that for her what I say harm. So that is what we mean by the right to convey. But somebody I say, basically we are saying that one of the responsibilities on the landlord, part one, is that he should have the right to convey. The right to convey. I was say what right no who can say are there would move no or who can say yes sir. Into would the space MOB or the high will be a for sure who to me so yes sir. The third and final one of right to convey American honey a bra will be a woo. Okay, a bro be a woo. Okay, why not all right? So yeah, any personal representatives are not the beneficiary of the person's estate. The me change a German kwa. I'm just using a hypothetical name or will be a honor. And if you in a dine room and the German kwa woo a German kwa woo it will say ye the adini or will bring a customary successor. So if the person succeeds or a money council or he succeeds in customarily, not say or no right there. Do you have a di na there no? So what right to the property that he can do that. Okay, and yes, I tell you, if the person dies, it was said your church japade no, your church japade we the dining work could in some no, or no coins or the dining there. That is what I mean by the right to convey. What I say yes, sir. Wow, won't be no. What me for dining? I will be managing. Oh yes, sir. You are doing that at your own risk. So we see that's a nipa crown naturally assemble home. No trouble, sir. He can come back to you and take his money and all those things from you. You understand that? So that is basically what we mean by the right to convey. Hong Kong will be what as a landlord. Also, your landlord. Yes, sure. Are there our land now also your lord? If you also your home feel rather. We are sure so now if you run Kasangasa. Aha. So we are sure. Yes, send my cano. Stool land. Sassy we also an family land. A busian sassy. And also still this was your penny or mum no. A bit made the name the assassin. I will be like at least I will be a transfer and so much on my. Anything like that. So basically that is it. And a case where someone is dead. Say I say church up there no na a administer estate no. Na you say a dine we room we a has no a quasi messy into the aircon hono or no the one who so where then will be conveyed. So that is the first duty or the obligations and a friend said the covenant for a landlord, the right to convey. Subsequent ones, a better if you account. Have a blessed day and enjoy yourself.